Hi. It's time to talk about places. I am at. I go to. I come from. I live in. I visit. Where is? It is near. It is far from. Examples. I am at the park. I go to school. I come from India. I live in an apartment. I visit my grandmother's house. Where is the police station? It is near the hospital. It is far from the movie theater.
I am at the airport. I go to the mall. I come from Portugal. I live in a house. I visit the doctor's clinic. Where is the train station? It is near the library. It is far from the market.
Conversations.
Where are you?
I am at the supermarket.
Okay. Come home soon.
Where do you live?
I live in a villa. And you?
I live in a villa too.
Where do you go after school? I go to my school club. What about you? I go home.
Where do you come from?
I come from Austria.
Is Austria a nice place?
Oh, yes. It is beautiful. Do you visit your cousins?
Yes. I visit my cousins every month. You?
I visit my cousins once a year.
Where is your house?
It is near school. Where is your house?
It is near the bus station.
Your turn. I am at. I go to. I come from. I live in. I visit. Where is? It is near. It is far from. Good job. Bye.